Alert. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Orlando, aka King Smitty, and I'm here today with an update on my trading journey. And before we get started, I just want to thank everybody for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe. We're on our way to 100 subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. And if y'all want to get started on y'all trading journey, I do have a link below to Webull where you can sign up and get started and get some free stocks along the way as well. You know what we trying to do? We trying to make money. What y'all trying to do, right? But so getting started today, let's look at the S&P 500 year to date. And the S&P 500 year to date, you can see right here. Let's put it right there. You can see it's up 6.96%. So year to date, the S&P 500 is almost up 7% roughly. And if you look over here to this next picture, you can see year to date my portfolio is up 34.19%. So roughly just 34%. Looking great. As you know, my main goal is to beat the S&P 500, not to match it. So year to date, I'm doing great. And let's see how I'm going to move forward with this next week, right? So if you look here, you see Tesla. Tesla has been running, shall I say, in the last month, up from roughly $108 all the way to, was it 220 roughly as the high. But as you can see in the circled area, this is a Morningstar Doji, I believe it is. But it is a reversal pattern, right? And since this is a month chart, I don't see it being like just a small pullback. I do seeing it pull back quite a bit. And you can see in this light blue area right here that I have marked off, it could really pull back to around 145 area, between 145 and 156 area. So I am going to just move around some limit orders I have, and then we'll place them accordingly. Like for example, I do have a limit order placed for Google, but as you know, for some of you, Google has that lawsuit going on where they're apparently monopolizing the search engine. So they got that going on with the government. And then you got Chat GPT coming out, which is supposed to give Google a big competition, shall I say, some more competition. So I can see Google kind of staying a little lower for a little longer than other stocks. So I am going to cancel my Google limit order, and I am going to transfer that over to my Tesla limit order, so that way when it does pull back, I'm grabbing another share. So when it does shoot up again, I have even more money going up, right? So that's what I'm gonna do with Tesla. Wait for it to pull back to this light blue area right here. Another thing I'm gonna do once I cancel my I already have a limit order for Tesla, but it's like at 120 something, so I'm gonna raise that up. But for some of the remaining funds I have from that limit order, I do believe I'm going to buy some shares of S&P 500 of Space, Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE. That is roughly, what is it, around, I'm sorry, Space is right now at $4.98. I'm definitely going to put a limit order in for roughly around $4.50, because that is also pulling back. And there is a little, just like on Tesla stock with that little blue line at, there is a gap as well on Space. And it's not a definite rule, but it is pretty common that all gaps get filled. Like I said, it's not a 100% thing, but it happens more than none. More than likely, it happens that all gaps get filled. So while they're trying to fill this gap, and a lot of people are taking profits and stuff, I'm going to put some limit orders in for Space as well, because Space has their commercial flight starting second quarter of 2023. We're in the second month now. One more month, which is March, until the first quarter is done, and then they'll be entering the quarter when the flights actually start. So I'm going to get my position a little bit more filled out, so when that does run up, my price that I'm at is lower than where it already is, which will make it quicker for me to get into profit than what I am now. So just a quick video. It's Super Bowl Sunday. I hope the Chiefs lose just because they beat the Jaguars. Y'all suck. I just want to thank y'all for rocking with me. Don't forget, I do have a link below for Webull, so you can sign up, get you some free stocks. Go Eagles. And thank y'all for rocking out with me. We trying to make money over here. What y'all trying to do, huh?